In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate social media in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through connecting your X account, formerly known as Twitter, so you can capture social conversations as leads and engage directly from your CRM. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Zoho CRM with the right permissions and that you have your X credentials ready. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, open the Setup menu by clicking the gear icon at the top right. In the Setup page, find the Channels section. This is where Zoho centralizes messaging and social touchpoints, and choose Social. Inside Social, open Social Media Leads. This area is designed to turn social interactions into actionable records. You'll see options to bring contacts into CRM and to manage how they're categorized. Locate the Import option. This is where you can pull in eligible data from your connected social accounts. If you haven't connected an account yet, don't worry, we're about to do that, and you can return to Import afterward to bring historical information in. Head back to Social Media Leads so we can connect your profile. In the Connect with X panel, click Add Account. Zoho will redirect you to X to securely link the two platforms. On the X page, choose Sign In to continue. Enter your phone, email, or username associated with X, then provide your password. If you're prompted for additional verification, just follow the on-screen instructions. When your credentials are verified, click Log In. You'll now see a permission screen asking you to authorize the connection. Review the access description so you understand what Zoho can read and do on your behalf. Typically, this includes reading your profile and posts and enabling lead creation. Click Authorize App to confirm. You can revoke this at any time from your X account settings if needed. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Zoho CRM. Your X account should appear as connected within the social section. From here, revisit Social Media Leads and use Import to bring in eligible social data, or simply start monitoring conversations and converting relevant profiles into leads. If you manage multiple brands, repeat the Add Account process for each profile you want attached. A quick tip: align your lead assignment and scoring rules beforehand, so incoming social leads route to the right team and get prioritized correctly. That's it. You've integrated your social channel with Zoho CRM and you're ready to turn conversations into customers. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.